Okay, we've got a Case Cx55B. It's got a cx60 bucket on it, but it's got these little pins in here that are 5/16 bolts that turn a little ear to lock the pin in place and to keep the tooth on the bucket. Here's two of these teeth side by side after about 300 hours. I like to replace the outside teeth first. It will cut a lot easier. This is the tool that you'll use to lock the pin in. It's going to be a quarter turn to the right. It's a 5/16 socket. Turn it just a quarter turn to the right. If it's not going to go, if it's not turning, don't force it. You'll break off the bolt, and then you'll have to replace this little keeper, which costs about the same price as the tooth. I paid $16 for the tooth. I think that last time I did these, I changed out the teeth. I ended up replacing all of these. So what you want to do is take that thing, put it in the vise, turn it back and forth. There it is right there. It's just going to turn it a quarter turn to the right, and it's locked in. Give it a little jiggle, make sure it's on there, and it should be loose. You know, you don't want it super tight, and there's a little bit of play.